Guys, it's me, Max Country, and I'm gonna be doing a set review on the Spider-Man Daily Bugle Showdown, or whatever it's called. But let's get started on the minifigs. I really like this set. Here is Spider-Man with a web suit or whatever. Jonah Jameson. He has a really cool camera and a tie and some hair. Little side face. I think this is Beetle. I thought it was Firefly when I first got it, but I need to read. So he has really cool printing. He has no head printing, some awesome wings. Kind of a cool utility boat or whatever. And yeah, there's not much on the back if you took off the wings, but I don't really want to. And second, we got Dr. Doom. He has like some cool like thingies right here. I don't want to take this off. I don't want to bend the cape. He has some cool back thingies. Kind of a little weird. Cute green. But I don't know. Can you guys see? I don't know if you can. Okay, so yeah, there's that. Back pretty cool. And the last minifigure we have is Nova. We'll be showing him as an example in a couple minutes. But here's Nova. He has cool like things right here, cool printing. Cool back printing and cool double face. Okay, so I was looking Nova on an example on this, but I've tried this before. I don't think this works. I think it works, but I'm gonna try it. I don't know how it works, this thing. Yeah, I'm stupid. I don't know how. I wish I just didn't throw away the box, and then I would know. But yeah, that guy Nova can go like flying in the air. So we got this thing. Whee! And then we got just like this little lamp or whatever. So now it's time for Dr. Doom's vehicle. This is his vehicle, and as you can see, I put him inside the vehicle. And this thing can like shoot out, but I don't want to shoot it out since it's kind of hard putting it back in. Has some cute little like fan things on both sides. See, this is where you're supposed to click it, and on the back is like kind of the same, some two cool little red dots. You can actually put a minifigure like right here if you want, and in the ends, and we got some cool stickers on, same stickers on both of the sides. Let's look inside the vehicle. It's actually nothing much. It's just like a seat with the thing. So, oh yeah, and then this thing can like drop on an enemy. Like I'm gonna drop it on Dr. Doom. Bang! Woo! Yeah, kind of like that. Now it's time to get to the real thing. And there's kind of a little DVC thing under there, and the door. I'll show you the inside of it. Spider-Man, some awesome windows. Jonah Jameson. If you actually look closely, it says who. I'll just go zoom in now. It said who is Spider-Man. It says DVC up there, and a very big pool thingy, and there's a DVC news on there, and this is like kind of a ladder thingy. You don't want to go on the floor if you're too lazy. And yeah, so yeah, this is the front of it. So the back of it is just like bioplant thing. Oh, and right here it says on the second floor who. If you get the chair out of here, it says who is Spider-Man. I'll be making a like a rip one with this. There's nothing in here, of course, unless you put something in there. So yeah, this is it. Now this switch right here, it's like pulls this window out, but I don't want to get it out. And you put the ladder up here. So up here is Jonah Jameson's office. I was ready to put him in there, but Okay. So you put him in there, he can do crappy things on the computer, and yeah, so there's kind of a cool lamp and on the top, so yeah, that'll be, oh yeah, one more thing, on the top there's all kinds of awesome switches, so yeah, let's go to the top. Oh, I'm sorry, my camera's really bad, like literally. To the top! Yeah, in the top of the vehicle, come on, well, if Dr. didn't stay down there, he would have fell through James Jameson's office. This can push the minifigure out, and this, like, can push out the DBC letters, so, yeah, I really don't want to do that anymore. So, yeah, this has been great catching up with you guys on this review. And, I also got some minifigures in the pack, but I don't know if my other guy went, but here, oh yeah, I found him. Here are the two guys I got in the pack, Santa Claus and this dude, Series 8, so, yeah, I got the last two, so, see you guys later. See you later, bye. Action is his reward to him. Life is a great big day, wherever there's a